Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about remote data science jobs. You've been wondering whether you can work remotely as a data scientist and still earn a competitive salary? Great news for you. The answer is absolutely yes, because remote data science jobs is one of the hottest career opportunities right now. In this video, we're sharing all the necessary information for you to land your dream remote data science role. So please, do us a favor, hit that subscribe button. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, let's talk about why remote data science jobs are exploding right now. Businesses everywhere are using big data to analyze customer behavior, predict trends, and automate decision-making. Companies are relying more on data-driven decision-making like analytics and business intelligence for strategic planning. Tools like AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure make it easy to work on large data sets from anywhere in the world. Also, industries like fintech, healthcare, e-commerce, and marketing analytics are all hiring aggressively. And here's something most people don't know. Many actively hiring companies don't even post their openings publicly. Now let's talk about the most essential skills you need to stand out in this competitive field. We're breaking this down into 4 categories: technical skills, advanced expertise, business acumen, and soft skills. Let's start with the technical proficiency. Python and R, essential for data cleaning, visualization, and statistical modeling. Next up, SQL and NoSQL databases. You'll use these for querying, data management, and relational analytics. Proficiency in cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure are absolutely critical for remote data processing. ETL and data pipelines require automation and workflow management skills, which are highly valued by employers. Now let's talk about advanced expertise like predictive modeling, regression analysis, deep learning, and neural networks that are used for handling complex data sets. Natural language processing, or NLP, for text-based analytics. But technical skills alone are not enough. You also need business acumen and domain-specific knowledge. This means understanding analytics tools like Tableau or Power BI and able to convert data insights into actual business strategies. Finally, understand the importance of soft skills. Team collaboration and usage of Slack, Zoom, or Microsoft Teams efficiently goes a long way. Master these 4 skill categories, and you'll be a highly competitive candidate in the remote data science job market. So you now know what's out there, but how do you actually find these jobs and get hired? Step 1, stop looking for remote jobs in wrong places. Generic job boards simply waste your time. We may be biased, but signing up for our free Remote Job Central newsletter can be your best choice. And of course, you don't have to take our word for granted. Please see our reviews. Step 2, recruiters actively search LinkedIn, so make yourself findable. Load your profile with relevant keywords. Step 3, your resume needs to communicate value quickly. Recruiters spend less than 6 seconds on initial screening. Step 4, thoughtful cover letters differentiate you from other candidates. Research the company, mention why their mission excites you. Right, let's wrap this up. Remote data science jobs offer diverse, rewarding, and flexible careers for skilled professionals. By developing the right skills and crafting targeted applications, you can build a rewarding career from anywhere. Your dream remote role is an email away. What are you waiting for? Now it's time to take action and make it happen. Sign up for our free Remote Jobs newsletter to get exclusive access to curated remote listings directly in your email inbox. Stay informed and explore resources like our Remote Jobs Central blog for the latest information about remote jobs. What's your thoughts on this? Please share it in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for your time watching this so far. I'll see you on the other one. Take care.